Are you looking for the best anti-aging serum? How we all desire that our skin would clear up and become more youthful. Flawless skin, on the other hand, appears to be a pipe dream as wrinkles and fine lines take over our faces. Is that correct? No, it takes a long time to locate that one product that actually works for your skin. There are many anti-aging products available on the market. While some of them succeed, others have frightening negative effects. What we do, this recipe for homemade wrinkle cream is one of the first overnight creams I have prepared. Aside from being significantly less expensive than store-bought creams, you'll find it to be much softer on your skin and often more effective. The night cream recipe is amazing. It's one of the first overnight creams I ever prepared, a superb homemade face moisturizer for aged skin, and the reason for this post's popularity. Many marketed anti-aging home treatments contain small amounts of potentially dangerous chemicals. While they may appear to be insignificant amounts, massaging them into your skin on a daily basis can often exacerbate the problem, rather than reducing wrinkles. When you make your own wrinkle creams, there are no harsh or drying ingredients, so your skin will look and feel softer straight away. How to prepare an anti-aging cream using cloves to reduce facial wrinkles, wrinkles around the eyes, wrinkles around the mouth, and neck wrinkles. How to prepare a cream pink skincare product with peeled face and body cloves. You can use the powdered seeds of other cloves. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of clove powder, a cup of water, then cook the mixture over low heat for a few minutes. To remove dead skin from the skin and neck, we prepare a clove scrub. 3 tablespoons. Clove powder, cooked, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to it. Mix in 2 teaspoons olive oil, almond oil, or coconut oil. You can use this area on the face, neck, and crusty skin in the same way, and you can also use it on the body and wash it with simple water. Twice a week, apply peeled cloves to the face and neck. We'll go on to the anti-aging step cream cloves preparation. We need to boil 4 tablespoons of boiling cloves, add coconut oil, and gradually add the bulk of aloe vera until we get a good night pink skincare that may replace the gel aloe vera, venerate flax seed mix well. Get rid of wrinkles in the face and neck, as well as wrinkles around the eyes, using this night pink anti-aging cream. Apply the cream to your face and neck, around your eyes, and massage for a few minutes. Then apply the Apply Skin Night Cream Moisturizer and keep it on all night. You can keep the cream cloves in the refrigerator for a week and use it every night before going to sleep. Cream carnations prevent wrinkles around the eyes, mouth, and neck. The best time to use this serum is before you go to bed. Make sure you wash your face before using it. Take 2 to 3 drops of this serum and then massage it all over your face. This anti-aging serum has some amazing benefits for your skin as it is packed with natural ingredients. I hope this video helped you with best anti-aging serum. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then be sure to subscribe for more. And I'm always looking to make more of what you want to see, so leave a comment below and let me know what video I should do next. Thanks again.